Hey, what's up, you guys? So today I'm going to be teaching you how to skate, okay? And it's just for the cost of the like button. That's all it is. It's for I would say it's free, but it's just the like button. All you have to do is pretty much press it, and then pretty much you're good. So if you want to do that now, that'd be cool. Did you do it? Or okay, thank you. Anyways, I really appreciate it. Anyways, so I had a comment, but from Slithering Snake 2, okay? And it says, I've always wanted to learn how to skate, but just never had the time, to be honest. Well, I understand that, not having the time to skate, if you're in school or work, it's very annoying. It's not fun. Can't really have the time to skate. I understand that. I would say that you could at least probably find one day out of the week in order to skate. Anyways, I responded to Slithering Snake 2 and said, well, if you make the time, then I will make you a video. And I'll make pretty much a video explaining the very basics of skating and how to skate. So, Slithering Snake 2 ended up saying back, Therapist Carl, that sounds great. I'd definitely be down. So, since you're down, alright, I'm down. And that means that I'm making you a video. And then I'm making everybody in 2020 here a video. So, if you are a beginner skater, then welcome to Therapist Carl. I hope that you're ready to learn how to skate, because I'm ready to show you how to skate. Alright, so if you don't have very much money, I would recommend probably a Dark Star. I wouldn't recommend any Kryptonic board or any kind of Speed Demon or any Walmart Big Lots boards. I don't even know if Big Lots has any. But anyways, don't get any boards that are from those kind of places. Get your boards from your local skate shop or Zoomies. My local skate shop is Zoomies because all the other ones are really fucking far. But you can always shop online, Amazon and stuff like that. But they have, like I said, Dark Stars are a good start. I had a Dark Star, but it's stolen. It's another story. If you guys want to hear that, comment below. But yeah, pretty much I had a Dark Star. Super nice board. They have really nice pop. Pretty solid trucks. The trucks go out pretty fast. The bearings go out kind of fast. But honestly, they're pretty good boards if you take care of them. So they're anywhere from $40 to $60. I'm going to probably put some links in the description as far as skateboards go, so that you can look at some boards. And honestly, customizing your board is honestly one of my favorite things to do. I'm going to show you real quick one of my favorite boards. This is a Death Wish board. This is Dixon. Jesus Christ, sorry. Yeah, this is my custom board. Alright, so now that you have an idea as to what board you might want to get, we're going to discuss the very sole basics of skating. So, you have it in your hand and you are ready to skate. You have it on the ground, right? You're looking at your board like, oh, okay, I'm ready to skate. Cool, let's go. And you're like, okay, well, how the fuck do I even stand on this? There is a regular and goofy stance, okay? So I ride goofy. So the way that you're going to find out how you ride is the way that you approach the board, okay? So if you're naturally going to pretty much get on the board a certain way, okay? And whichever way that you get onto the board, regardless of your right hand or your left hand, it's just how you're going to skate, okay? So I want you to put your board in the grass, okay? And then I want you to pretty much run up to the board, okay? And then jump on it, okay? Now this might be terrifying at first, okay? But just keep in mind that you're not going to get hurt. You're just running and jumping on your board in the grass. So whenever you jump on it, don't jump directly straight. Turn your body, okay? So if depending on how your body reacts to jumping on the board will pretty much determine whether or not you are goofy or you're regular. Like I said, I'm goofy, And the best way of finding that out is simply just jumping onto the board in the grass, so you know that everything's okay, it's safe, you can fall in the grass, it's not going to hurt, you'll be alright. Now that you have figured out your stance, if you are goofy or regular, you are going to want to put your foot on the very front of the board, okay? If we are pretty much saying that this is the bottom, okay, which this is the bottom of the skateboard, this is the tail, and then this is the nose, then you're going to want to put, if you are goofy, okay, I want you to put your right foot right here, okay? And if you are regular, I want you to put your left foot on here, okay? Alright, so a little example for you guys is right here. This is goofy right here, and then this is regular, and then this is goofy again, and then this is regular. Alright, so right here is a little bit of goofy pushing. Then here we have a little bit more goofy pushing for you guys. And here we have some regular pushing. And then we have more regular pushing. You can tell that it's definitely not my stance. It's kind of awkward and a little shaky. You just kind of want to push and just push and simply just learn how to push, okay? And that's all you gotta do. You don't have to put the other foot on yet. Just once you figure out how to push, then that's good. Alright, so here we have some riding in goofy. And again, some more riding in goofy. My right foot is up on the front of the board and the left is in the back. Alright, so here we have some regular and some more regular. Left foot up front and then right in the back. Alright, so yeah, at this point you just kind of want to get comfortable skating. Just kind of roll around and everything and kind of ride more or less in your style and get comfortable with your board. The board is yours, and yeah, just enjoy it. Have fun. Alright, so this is the correct way of getting on and off of your board. This is just a little reminder for you guys. Whenever you are stepping off after riding, you just kind of want to step off, and you want to step off with your back foot. This is what will happen whenever you step off with your front foot. It'll kind of just, you kind of just fall and you'll kind of just crisscross away, so it'll just snap back and everything. So make sure that your planting foot is the one that is staying on the board, and then your back foot, the one that you push with, is the one that is coming off. It'll just pretty much seal the deal. You ain't gonna have any issues. It's just something to keep note of, that's all. I'm not the most organized person as far as words go, so I hope that this was easy to follow along with. We're gonna go right back in, and we're gonna do from step 1 to whatever step the other one was. So step 1, buying a board, okay? 8-inch deck preferably. Can't buy a board, get a $40 to $60 board. I know they're expensive, but you're best to have a nice board than a crappy board. That's just how it is, and it sucks, I know, it does suck, but this is how it is. And then after step 1, you got your board. Step 2, finding your stance. So that is simply just you running at the board in the grass and pretty much seeing which way your body wants to twist. You could also just stand on it and then pretty much see how it feels which way. But honestly, if you do that, then it's going to feel uncomfortable either way. So, because you're not used to skating. So you're best off to just kind of run at the board in the grass and jump on the board in the grass, or maybe jump beside the board in the grass and see which way your body just naturally wants to turn. Because whatever way your body wants to naturally turn, that's kind of the way that you are pretty much going to learn how to skate. So, yeah. Step 3. It's going to be pushing, okay? You pretty much just want to learn how to push. Put your plant foot, there up front. You don't want to put it in the back, keep in mind. You do not want to do that. It'll be a bad habit. You want to plant your foot on the top, there on those bolts, not too high, not that you're in the pocket, but up there, and then I just want you to just push with your other foot, and then just try to get around and everything, get comfortable. And once you do that, step 4, I want you to plant your back foot onto the back of the board. So pretty much with your other foot that you push with, put it on the board, and then just ride off. And then just simply just try to learn to ride off. And whenever you step off, make sure you step off with your back foot. If not, it's going to kick out the board and it's not going to be fun. So just make sure that that planting foot that is up on the front, make sure it's always planted on the board until you pretty much have your other foot off in order to actually take your planting foot off. And step 5 is just getting comfortable and pretty much learning how to ride your board. Everybody's boards are personal to them. You could pretty much ride anybody else's board, but your board's probably going to feel the most comfortable and the best because it's your board. It's what you have naturally set up for yourself, and that's what you like. So yeah, if you guys have enjoyed this video, then I would appreciate the like if you haven't already, and maybe a subscription if you guys want to subscribe down below. It's free. All you have to do is press that red button, and yeah, I would appreciate, I guess, the view. If you made it this far, then I want you to drink some water, because water is really good for you guys. So I will see you guys in the next video. Comment if you want to see me talk about skating more or doing skate stuff. Just comment what you guys want to see, honestly. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.